channel is all about food delicious things. Well, today we're making some really lovely, gorgeous berry pistachio meringue bites. I mean, they're so beautiful, but they taste really, really nice because we have a natural berry flavor in it. We're using freezer-dried berries, and it's really important that you're using freezer-dried berries because otherwise we cannot grind them up and turn it into a fine powder, which gives the meringue this nice color and of course the natural berry flavor. You can substitute, of course, the freezer-dried fruits for any other fruits if you like mango and coconut would make amazing summer meringue, but it's important again that you're using freezer-dried fruits. They are absolutely amazing. It tastes really nice over ice cream or just yogurt or just with afternoon tea or coffee. They're lovely. So if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, comment me below, subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified for my next recipe, and let's get started. First, we need a scale so we can weigh out the egg whites separated from the egg yolk to measure up the powdered sugar, which would be the double amount of the egg whites. Here I'm adding the double amount of weighting, the double amount of powdered sugar. Then we're fluffing our egg whites up, so it's going to be really, really stiff. So basically you can put it upside down and it wouldn't fall out. Gradually we're adding then our powdered sugar. Do not add it all at once because otherwise the meringue will fall together. And when you're done, you should be having really stiff, glossy peaks. We're taking our freezer-dried berries and just grind them up to really fine powder. In a bowl, we're adding our meringue and then our lovely ground powder of fruits. And just carefully mix it all in. There you can see it gives them a really nice color. On a baking tray with parchment paper, just set little small balls, bite-sized balls. I top them with some more freezer-dried fruits just to make them look pretty and give them some extra texture. They look so gorgeous, beautiful. And look at these colors. Then I just sprinkled the rest of the powder that I had over them to make it look nice, and then I took my pistachio and just sprinkled them over as well. And then they will be baked for 30 to 40 minutes until they're easy released off the baking tray. Thanks for watching!